Today I want to show you how to properly test a Nintendo Switch before buying it. Most people just check if it turns on, but there are a few small things that can save you from buying a broken console. First, check the Joy-Con rails. Attach the controller and gently push it upward without pressing the release button. If it slides out, the locking hinge is worn out. The part itself is cheap, but it still takes time to replace. Next, inspect the charging port. Look inside and check if any of the copper pins are bent or damaged, because that can lead to charging problems later. While you are there, you can also check the serial number online to see if the console is patched or unpatched. That only really matters if you specifically care about modding. Then check the game card slot and look for corrosion or any signs of water damage. If you see rust or residue, I would avoid buying it. After that, check the Joy-Con rails on the console itself. They should feel solid and not loose. Loose rails can mean the rail was ripped off before or repaired badly. Also look at the screws on the back. If they are heavily scratched, the console was probably opened before. Next, go to Settings, then Controllers and Sensors, then Test Input Devices. Start with the touchscreen test. Drag your finger slowly across the screen. If random touches appear, the screen might have ghost touch issues. Then test every button on the Joy-Cons, including the small side buttons when the Joy-Cons are removed. From my experience, those side rail buttons and the L or R buttons are some of the most common failures. After that, go to Calibrate Control Sticks. Move the sticks around and make sure they return to the center. If they stay centered and do not move on their own, there is no obvious stick drift. If you do not see the plus icon, but the sticks still look stable, try running calibration first because sometimes that fixes it. If possible, insert a game cartridge and a microSD card to test both slots. And if the seller allows it, open a game and play for 15 to 20 minutes. Then listen near the fan area to make sure the fan is actually running. Finally, check the screen for scratches. The Switch uses a plastic digitizer, so it scratches easily, and heavy scratches can lower the resale value quite a lot. And one last thing, make sure the console can detect and connect to Wi-Fi networks. If Wi-Fi is broken, the repair can be very difficult and time-consuming. These quick checks can save you from buying a Switch that looks fine at first, but has hidden problems.